scenic view.
Probably get a view and the truck will be there.
A big truck.
Right.
It's gone. Right out. Yeah,
And
big
it's
truck is.
coming down in the Wollongong. Very steep road.
I miss the good view there. Boys gonna do what the boys gonna do. Look at that.
Oh yeah, and probably the locks, the dirt camp. That was the
Oh, 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 there it is.
yeah, but then when you get told, I don't think you'd over. He glued his to bits that bad.
Oh,
Got caught in the steer. We pulled it apart with like 20 pieces.
done it. Ems. Victim number 8.
He's wondering why you're out of your hole.
Everybody wants me.
He's wondering why you're out of your hole.
Really?
He's just wondering why you're out of your hole.
That's how deep, steep it is.
Magpie coming up behind you. Eliza, here's your answer.
Ayaw magpie.
Magpie.
Ooh. Here he comes. Whoop. Look at the wheels. Whoop.
What are you looking for the most typical line?
Made it. Woo!
It's an oil buddy.
There wasn't actually a truck up there.
Oh, Ray.
There's no truck up there.
Yeah, we've got to go back through.
I lied.
And what you gonna say about it? Good fun?
That's the Macau mascot.
You having fun yet, boys?
Yeah, it's summer.
Yeah, it's summer weather. What? Dude, it's hot.
Wait. Oh. It's gone. Okay. That's gonna hurt.
Fuck that. There we go. There we go.
Stop making a noise, that thing.
Oh, I just whipped my I just whipped my whole arm.
Hey.
Welcome back, guys. We're set up. We already got a fire. As you can see, this handsome guy is doing the fire. He's very keen on it. He loves doing it, aren't you?
love it.
There you go.
Oh yeah.
Earth camping. What do you call this? Swag. And this one. Second, it's beautiful. Look at that guy. Don't hurt your foot, darling. Just put it all in there. Lovely. Oh, that's gorgeous.
I'm sure that's going to help us.
3, 4. Father and son in this. The father and son in this swag. There they are. You eating already? Is that your dinner yet? No. 4, 5, 6. There.
Man opener.
And he's setting up his chairs over there. Huh? This one, he's got his mansion up there. Look, beautiful. That's easy one. You just pull the thing up and voila, instant tent. This is ours, guys. One double one and one single in there. That's it. One more with this handsome guy in here. What do you call that? The swag for tonight. That guy. Guys, enjoying your tea now?
Yeah.
That tea or beer?
Beer.
Beer.
Coffee for me.
Coffee.
Need to
Look
kick
at our
start before I
campfire,
get
guys. So good. We have corn, eggplant to put in the barbie. This one is sweet potato and potato. But we have the Isa, get the chicken kebabs. We're gonna have coffee. This is our setup.
If I can have.
Table, chair.
You can't serve
We're gonna put this in the bonfire later on to cook our corn and sweet potato and potato. So we're gonna cook the kebabs here and we're going to have coffee. Coffee and pampainit ni Paul. We get warm. Si Jack at saka si Daniel. Jack Daniel. This is our coffee.
You always have to have a bit of Jack Daniels.
That's our kebabs. Chicken kebabs. I hope you like this our little camping just for the night to get away. Because it's really stress. So we have to drive like 3-hour drive to come here. And we're going to have fun. Have a drink tonight. Don't waste it, man!
Huh? I've smashed it up already. I'm drunk. I'm hella drunk. That doesn't stop me drinking.
Go for it. Just only for one night.
I'm smashed.
He's already smashed, he said. Okay, guys. I'll see you later. I hope you like this video. Please like, share, and subscribe. What are you going to say, girl?
Nothing.
Bye. Okay. What's the name of our camping site?
Mint bush
Mint Bush
in Yellow.
in Yellow. This is our road,
Out of here.
Turtle Road.
Turtle.
Look how bad it is, guys. It's up and down, and very muddy when it's rain, and now it's having got a rain. It's very, what do you call that type?
Dry. Dusty.
Dusty. Oh my God, look at that. Doing, 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 going. We're like in the washing machine.
Steady hand.
Steady and while I'm
Keep it straight, bub. Keep it
sitting
straight.
here. You keep it straight. Okay, guys. I'll see you later. Someone stop? Why we stop then?
We're just waiting for the last one to come. You filming again?
So did you enjoy your one night stand?
Oh!
I mean one night camping? Huh? What about you, Kikay?
Yeah.
And next year, August,
Long one.
it's
6 weeks. How are we going to be after that? We'll be a mess.
Let's go, guys. Move it, move it, move it. You gotta move it, move it. Welcome back, guys. We're here in Jurong. We're having a quick lunch, sea vista over there. The beach view, huh? What?
We're just going to head down the road because they're not doing takeaway and they're only letting certain people in.
Oh, really?
Good view.
Yeah. It's beautiful.
That's Gerringong Beach.
The Gerringong Beach.
Hold on. Very good view. Yeah, nice.
$1 million view.
Yeah, you need that to live here too. It's expensive.
$1 million view.
Okay, bub, we're going to head down. And then he goes, oh, I'm stopping takeaways now. There's too many people. We've got too many meals.
Through the menu and walked out.
How rude is that?
Okay, man.
False alarm.
Next stop.